In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to generate a user manual using Docsie's AI generative content feature on Docsie platform. Look at the top right corner of your screen and click on User Options. Select Workspace Settings to open the Profile and Settings page. Scroll down to the Editing and Languages section and click AI Generative Content. Click Define a new action. Fill out the details in the dialog box, especially the prompt field. This is where you tell the AI what you want it to do. Once you're done, click Create Rule. Use the arrow icon in the upper left corner to get back to your dashboard. In your workspace, check out the left sidebar and select a shelf. Browse the articles on the shelf and select one that needs editing. Click the Edit Document button to start making changes. While editing, highlight the section of text you'd like the AI to work on. Look for the Right Assist icon in the right sidebar. It looks like a pen on a notebook. Click on it to expand the AI generative content options. In the sidebar, find the rule you created earlier. The prompt field will show the instructions you gave when setting up the rule. Click Run Action to let the AI generate your user manual content. Take a look at the generated content. If it doesn't look quite right, don't worry, just click Rerun Action to try again. Once you're happy with the result, click Append to Selection. This is the default action type. Carefully review the updated text to ensure it matches your expectations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please drop them in the comments below. Also, remember to ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching.